and then you drop it down first to the right side. So most of you will be able to move till here or probably here. So you're going to take one another's help now. You support the calf muscle and slowly start pushing the leg up. Ishtella hogala, the leg may won't go till here. Probably you'll stay, I guess, till it could. You'll probably stay till here, but a little bit of pressure. You're going to hold the foot with the support of the belt if you can't hold the right big toe. So what happened over there? Like, she used her hand from the other side and then she held it. The same is going to happen over here also. ಅಲ್ಲೆಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲಗುಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So in order to reach here, it will take like forever. But you can take support of the belt. You can take help of another person. You move the leg closer towards the ear. That's more than enough. But eventually, you should reach here. This will take not less than a decade for whatever state you guys are in right now. If you practice 3 days, 4 days in a week, if it happens before 10 years, it's good. Else, that's the minimum number of years that's required. Aita? So if you can't do this by yourself, how you can help one another, I'll show that also now. Madi. Nodri, barala antira. Belt ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.